Hey everybody, 104 and 55 seconds on February 4th. This is mini number 2 for the Iron Man 1 and Tales of Suspense 40. Here are the 12 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 16. Going to randomize 16 times. Name at the top of the list gets the first 5 open spots in the main. Second place gets 1 single open spot. I need to take a quick break because I have an appointment for work. And then I will come back in a bit and I'll run the final mini. Okay? So best of luck to everybody participating in this one. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and here comes the final one. 16, Cody Goodrich comes in first. Aaron Grant comes in second. Time is 1:05 and 50.